Hey everyone, it's me, Michaela P. Stance. I'm Michaela. So as you guys can see is I'm outside. I never did a video outside before, so I'm just wanting to try something new. But today we're going to do like an arts and crafting. We're going to do a DIY bird feeder. We're going to make our own bird feeder. And this is something that would be nice like during the fall season. And then maybe like the springtime, but this is like, since it's coming to be in the fall, I think it'd just be a good idea that we can make our own bird feeders. So the first thing you'll need is a paper towel or a paper or toilet paper roll, and then you're gonna need a knife. And if you guys are like younger, like maybe like under like maybe 12 or 11, I would use adult supervision for the knife part. You're gonna need a plate. You're gonna need some good sturdy sticks, and then you're gonna need any peanut butter will do, but I got the natural Jif, but any peanut butter will do. And then you're gonna need some bird seeds, and you're gonna need some either string or yarn or twine or anything that you could use to be able to hang up this bird feeder. But I just got ribbon, so yeah. So anyways, let's get started. Okay guys, that was weird. I was trying to do a cool transition thing, but that didn't really work. So anyways, first thing is you're going to first is just so you guys know, with the bird feeder, I would like pop in some holes. I would at least put 4 holes, or like 2 on this side and 2 on this side, but like see, like, yeah, about the same places like where you put your holes. So yeah, and then yes, I would do that first. But if you don't have like a what do we call it, a hole puncher, I would try to get a knife or some scissors and try to put in holes, because that's what I had to do. So yeah, first is you're going to take the seeds, and let me get this open. Oh gosh. And you're going to put some on the plate. Hopefully no squirrels or any birds are gonna come, or can I come and take this? But this looks like a good amount of seeds that I would put in. I gotta try to make sure this doesn't fall. But yeah, so I'll put this much of seeds in. Then you're gonna take this over on the side. You're gonna take your bird feeder and the peanut butter. You're gonna open the peanut butter. This is a new one because I can tell by how I opened it. I'm just gonna fully open that. Okay. First thing is I have to mix the peanut butter. Okay. Okay, so now, since I did that, I'm just gonna put the extra peanut butter that I already have. Anyways, you're just gonna spread this around, and this is gonna get probably a little messy. So yeah. And when you're done, I would make sure to try to find the holes, and yeah. Okay, so I'm still trying to spread this. Also, if you guys hear music in the background, um, my town is having a little festival today, and it usually is in August, but they had to do it way late because my football team went to the big house thing, so that's what's going on right now. So I just want to let you guys know that if you hear like music or anything, that's why. Okay, so I'm still trying to spread as much peanut butter as possible. But yeah, this is going to get a little messy. So if you guys do want to, in case you don't want to get it on your new clothes, I would probably wear an old shirt that you don't really care. But I kind of didn't do that. So yeah, I think I really needed them. Why did I just... Okay, the most I need it is on the top part because that's where the food's gonna mostly be. So I need to try it because I accidentally started from the bottom and not from the top of this situation. So I need to try to move it up so then I can get as much as possible. But yeah, if you guys do hear music, I'm sorry. Or that's probably my neighbor's music. I don't know. I just know that I have a festival going on today. So yeah, that's basically what's going on. I think I probably put a little too much on. So I probably should have put some back, but I think it's okay. I think this is pretty good. Okay, so now when you're done with that situation, you have to, well, just sit down the thing. You're gonna have to like pick a stick. And I'm gonna have to cut mine in half. But you're gonna, why did I do that? You're gonna put it through the hole. Okay, I need to see where this is going. And I need to get it in that hole. So, I'm having some difficulties in a way. This might not be a good stick. Okay, so you can tell by not having a good stick if it's a little too big, which it is. So I need to get this out and try a new stick. Okay, so that didn't really work, and I'm gonna have to add some little more peanut butter, but okay, we're gonna need more of a thinner stick, so I'm gonna try this one instead, guys. Hopefully this time this one's gonna work much better than the other one. See, you're gonna need sticks to, well, I guess it doesn't really matter. You don't even have to if you don't want to, but sticks would be good, so then like the birds can go on it. You know what would have been much better is if I actually probably would have put the what you gonna call it, the no. Okay, there we go. If I put the sticks in first before I put the peanut butter on, because then it wouldn't turn out like this. Okay, so anyways, I'm just gonna try to spread it, the peanut butter with my fingers, because I do not feel like using the knife again. So that is just what I'm gonna try to do. Now this might be a little bit hard because you're gonna need to roll it with the seeds, but I really needed to put the sticks in there because I couldn't find the holes. So I guess if you really want, you could like take it back out and try to to make sure the holes don't get covered, but you know what, we're just going to try it the first way. We're just going to try it with the sticks first. And I'm going to need to clean the sticks, but so now you're just going to, I'm sorry, I got to itch my nose. Okay, now you're just going to put it in the seeds and you're going to try to roll it. Hey, no, Mr. Fly, not today. And I'm just gonna, you know what, I'm just gonna sprinkle it on there. And be like, eee. I think that would be much better. You could just sprinkle it on there. Hey, Fly, don't get in here. Okay, so as you can see, this is what my awesome bird feeder looks like. It looks pretty good. And now we're gonna have to figure out how the guys, this is actually kind of fun right now. Like, I never actually did this kind of project before, so. Woo! These are a lot of seeds. Okay, I'm gonna try to put some more on that section. Just gonna, yeah, make sure we need a little bit more over here, a little more over here. But yeah, so this is a good project, just it's a little messy, so I would either do it in the kitchen or outside, like where I'm doing it. Okay, so I might need to go wash my hands, because as you can see here, I got seeds all over my fingers, because I was trying to sprinkle the stuff on. So you know what? I will come back after I am done. So, yeah. I can't stop it. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna try to figure out a way to stop this. Okay, everyone. So I am back, and so as you can see, this is where I'm at right now. So the complicated part is gonna be the yarn. So that's the last step. But the thing is, I don't really know exactly how you would put this on. Like, I mean, you could try tape or try punching a hole in it and doing it. I don't know. But my dad's gonna come out here and try to help me. So, yeah. But I'm just gonna get the yarn started, or the ribbon started, I should say. And yeah, which I already did. So, I'm gonna come back. I just have to get my dad, and yeah, and that'll be our last final step, and then we can go put it on the tree, and then I'm probably gonna put the rest of these seeds on the ground somewhere so that birds can get something to eat. So yeah. Okay guys, so basically this is what my bird feeder looks like right now. My dad basically just took the yarn, cut it, and put this, tied it to one of the sticks. And my dad has to get something to stand on, because we're gonna, before we tied it onto this side, we're gonna have to put it over on that tree right there, that one right there. So yeah, so we're just kind of waiting right now. So, or well, not we, I am basically just waiting. But I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so we're gonna hang this up now. Well, that is basically. So he's just gonna put it on one of those branches and tie it to the other stick, and then the birds can get some. So, yeah, so I hope you guys kind of enjoy this video. Sorry about the little last part, I just didn't know what to do. But basically what my dad just tied it to the other two sticks. And if you guys want, you guys could use scissors and put a hole on the top or something. You guys don't have to, but it's just a idea. So yeah, so that is my awesome bird feeder, and I hope that some birds will take it. But yeah, so I'm probably just gonna now throw some of these extra seeds outside because I don't want to waste this all, and I can't put this back in the bag in the front because I cut out all the stuff. So I'll just take these and throw it around the tree, so maybe some of the birds can find some of these seeds. And you guys can leave if you guys want. I really don't care. But I just want to show you guys at least some of it. I'm probably gonna throw some out there, throw some out there. My whole yard is seeds. Okay guys, so I'm probably gonna go now, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and I'll probably make another video. I'm probably gonna make a slime video today too, I don't know for sure, but yeah, please thumbs up, like and subscribe, and yeah, bye.